I mean, it's so delicious, it's so good, I can't help it. It gives me energy. Monster's a thing. So right now I'm on a mission to drink all the Monsters I can get. So you can get all these free items just by drinking Monster. You guys know me, I'm addicted, I love it, it's so delicious, I can't help it. So of course I'm gonna drink all the Monsters I can, collect these tabs, send them out so I can win this free Monster gear. Gains, bro. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Izon. So in today's video I'm going to show you guys 4 important things that you need to take with you before you head to the gym. You guys already know, this is the infamous Ghostbuster bag that I take with me everywhere, all day, every day. So let's open this bad boy up. So number 1, the most important thing that I take to the gym is pre-workout, and right here is the Woke AF. Now before I took this, I was struggling about 45 minutes every day to head to the gym to get a clean workout in. But not anymore with the pre-workout Woke AF, that's not a problem. I'm in the gym every night for 2.5 hours because I have a limited energy with the Woke AF. Right, another item I highly recommend is your headphones. I have the Power Beats Pro. I take these to the gym with me every single day because music is essential for me. Music is everything. They're really good for working out, they're sweat resistant, they have a long battery life. Even if the battery is dying, you have a really nice charger that can charge the device for you. Charge this guy for 5 minutes and you're good for 1.5 hours of playtime. So that's it, the Power Beats Pro, it's essential. And of course, you always need some spray because I don't know about you guys, but when I work out hard. So you definitely need to smell good when you're leaving the gym, before and after the gym. Weightlifting gloves, you're gonna need these if you're working out hard so you don't have any calluses on your hands. They work great for me. Level up your lifestyle, get you some weightlifting gloves if you're lifting heavy. In my bag I have a full complete gym outfit. I highly recommend you guys get a nice comfortable set of gym clothes so that way you can breathe, you can sweat, and last but not least, so you can get these gains, bro. Well, it's about that time. Got the mask, scaring everybody. Uh-oh. I don't want to go to jail. It's just a mask. I mean no harm. Out here at McDonald's. And what's that I see? What? A receipt just chilling. Uh-oh. You know what that means. Survey time. Chicken time, free food. Watch this. All right, so here at McDonald's, the key is you do the survey on the receipt. You're gonna get a free McChicken or sausage burrito, but I like my McChicken, so I'm gonna get this free McChicken, free food. It's calling your name. You guys know how I do. Thank you. That's it. Hey, if it's free, it's free.
You lost your damn mind. Even the Batmobile don't hold the road like this bitch.
I just left movies, checked out Bad Boys 3. What y'all think, y'all? I say about 9 out of 10.
And I saw it twice. So I like
9 out of 10.
8 out of 10. 1 out of 10.
On the second time, what's the first one?
Alright, so it's a good ass movie. Check it out. Out here with the big homies. Alright guys, so that wraps up this video. Don't forget to hit that like button down below. Hit that subscribe button, smash that subscribe button, and until next time.